Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a super handy feature for WhatsApp users. Have you ever missed important photos just because you forgot to download them? Well, not anymore. We're going to teach you how to enable photo auto-download on WhatsApp, ensuring that all those precious memories are saved automatically. Let's get started with the simple steps. First, grab your Android device and open WhatsApp. It's the green icon that you use every day. Once you're in, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your screen. Give those a tap, and a menu will drop down. Now, find and select Settings. You want to dive into the settings to customize your experience. Once in Settings, tap on Storage and Data. This section is all about managing your storage and download settings, so you're in the right place. Next, scroll down to the Media Auto-Download section. Here's where the magic happens. First, tap on When Using Mobile Data. This will allow you to choose what gets downloaded when you're on your mobile data. Make sure to mark Photos so that every time someone sends you a photo while you're using mobile data, it downloads automatically. Now, let's not forget about Wi-Fi. Go back to that same Media Auto-Download section and select When Connected on Wi-Fi. Again, make sure to mark Photos here as well. This way, whenever you're connected to Wi-Fi, you'll never miss a photo that comes your way. And that's it. You've successfully enabled photo auto-download on WhatsApp. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your photos without worrying about downloading them one by one. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.